Hey, hey. Oh, it's time. It's time. Well, look who's here. It's time to get busy. Yeah. $13, probably a pop top. Come on. One more. Oh, there it is. That's a wet one. It's over here. Get rid of that wet sand. There we go. The quarter. Ooh, that one's pretty crusty. Find out later. Looks like a new one. I mean, yeah, it looks like a new one. Cool. Let's keep going. There might be another one in here. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Oh, there's something over there too. There we go. 30. I'm gonna say it's another quarter. There we go. There it is. There we go. One more. Yeah, let's keep looking. All right, getting a 13 on the top of the pile. I'm guessing nickel, maybe? Let's see. Oh. Oop, come on. I really want to rinse out in this little stream, but I hate to upset the fish. Let's do it anyway. I think I've got my GoPro set up properly. Let's see. Let me double check. There we go. There we go. Yep. It's a nickel. Woohoo! Couple scoops out of this one. It's still showing up at 11, which is an awesome number. Let's keep going. See if there's anything good in here. Or if it's just teasing me. Last 11 I got was a half a pop top. Oh, it's out. Ah, doggone it. Somebody had some vodka. Ooh, Great Goose. Nice brand. Really good. Okay, let's keep going. Got a nice signal here. Oh, yeah. A dime, maybe? Oh, I hit something. Still going. Oh, come on, baby. What is it? There we go. Something clunking in here. There it is, a dime. Yeah, let's keep going. Okay, so I'm losing my voice a little. I'm not going to talk too much in this video, but I'll still do my best to entertain you. All right, let's go. A solid Screamin' 13. Oh yeah. It's a nickel. Ooh. Yeah, baby. Come to mama. Screamin' 29. It's a mystery. Fork. Focus onto that. And the scoop. Oh yeah, there we go. Got ourselves a gold chain. Check that out later. Huh. Oh yeah. Let's keep going. Pop top. It's a little necklace or anklet, maybe. It's like a 4-leaf clover. Good. Let's keep going. Oh yeah, I just found one of my favorite finds of all time. On the surface find. Look, look, look. It's especially meaningful to me because I have a farm. And I love chickens. So this was a real fun one.
No.
Let's take this over here. There's a lot of people around, so. Oh, it's a safety pin. It's going to be a beautiful sunset tonight. Go in there. Oh yeah, you can feel it. I think it's a car. Am I gonna get a new car? Yeah. Sweet. Oh, my glasses on there. It's a Volkswagen. Nice. Right into my pocket. Could be now. Oh, still in there. Oh, might be another car. Let's Sweet. Yeah. Sweet. Oh, that one's a super cheapy. Might have to give that one away. Cool. There it goes. Screamer. Oh, it's right on the surface. Oh yeah, another car. Ooh, that one's very fancy. But wait, there's more. Oh yeah. Great alive. Dang, that thing is way down there. Oh, I think I got it. Yep. Super truck number 2. Oh yeah. We got ourselves a collection. Sweet. Lucky kid's gonna get this. There was actually one more. Ah, scary. Cool. Alright, let's keep going. Oh wait, there's more. Wow, that's a lot so far. It's gonna be a fun wrap up. Woohoo! Deeper. There we go. And that's good. And that's good. What's that? You better not be it. Nah. 25 should be a dime. There it is. There she is. Alright, let's keep going. Oh yeah. Hello, Mr. Lincoln. Welcome to your new. Oh, you popped up. Oh, 31. Okay, okay. Got it. Let's see what it is. Let's see what it is. I'm thinking quarter. Oh yeah. Cool. Alright, let's keep looking. Quarter. I feel like it's probably a bottle cap. Oh, no. It's the valve for blowing up. Probably a volleyball. Been out here a while. Cool. Let's keep going. It's a screamer. Maybe another dime. Let's see. Oh, keep looking. It's in the scoop. Yep. It's a dime, it's a dime. Doo-dah, doo-dah. Into the dime holding spot. Oh, looks like there might be a dime over here. It's gonna be a dime, I think. But you never know. Oh, what is it? Yep, it's a dime. Hello, Mr. Dime. Welcome to my world. Let's keep going. My favorite number. Oh, I can see something right there. Yes, ma'am. I can see it. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Sweet. Uh-huh. We know what that is. Right, there's a lot of people around, so I'm going to just put that away. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's why we're out here. All right, let's go. All right. Maybe a dime. That's deeper. Nope. A little farther back. There we go. I guess a dime. But you never know. Oh, hey now. That's awesome. Is that the devil? Oh my gosh. Oh, it's probably some kind of superhero. Thank goodness. Otherwise, I'd have to throw him in the trash. Oh yeah, awesome. Cool. All right. Whoa. Let's keep going. All right, everybody, we're ready for the wrap up. So it's the next day. I've cleaned things up a bit, and I just wanted to show you what I have. Here's kind of my junk pile. Got the usual spoons, pop tops, pull tabs, coins. I hit the cycle twice, all clad. No significant dates or anything like that, but it was pretty consistent. And I got my Marvel character. We really scored on the monster trucks. Look at these Hot Wheel monster trucks. Yeah, those are great. So I have a huge Tupperware, well actually it's bigger than Tupperware. It's a big tin of vehicles that I found at the beach, and I donate those at the end of the year to charity for kids that, you know, need these kind of things. So those will be going to a good home. I'll be keeping Miss Chicken. She is my mascot now. So I'm going to get her in more videos. She's awesome. But the best part is the jewelry. Did really well on the jewelry. Super stoked about this necklace. Kendra Scott. It's not broken. It's actually 14 karat gold plated and a turquoise stone. So I'm going to be wearing that. I really like that. And then this was the biggest surprise of all. This is the 18 karat gold ring. This ring is really cool. It's super artistic. I don't know if it was custom made, but it is really interesting. If any of you know what this symbol on the top is, please let me know, because I can't figure it out for the life of me. At first I thought it was a butterfly, but I don't know. It's different. But I'm trying to remember what this weighed. I think it was like 2 point something grams. It's pretty solid for how small it is. And it is 18 karat, so I do have the stamp in the photographs. It's kind of hard to do it out here, but it's got a pretty good stamp on it. Anyway, that's the wrap up. We really appreciate you guys watching our videos. Give us a like. If we've earned your subscription, please subscribe. We're going to put lots more videos out, and we're really having a good time. just love bringing you these metal detecting videos. It's a lot of fun, and we will see you on the next video. Take care, everybody.